would you recommend this program to others? Why not?
Absolutely. For me, the small investment was not only worth it, but totally necessary. Um, I wanted to learn from a successful designer, and what I so appreciate about your program is um, you're, like I said before, you're available, you're visible, you're constantly updating content, so you're staying with the trends. This is not like a program that was put out several years ago and isn't, relevant anymore. It's very relevant to uh, designs and trends and stuff that are going on right now in the market, which was really important to me. And it's easier. I mean, when you are following guidelines and you're being told, do this because this is successful, don't do this because this is going to cost you, this is a mistake that you want to avoid, that just, it's, to me, it's kind of a no-brainer. I would much rather invest the time and effort up front to follow the program so that when I'm ready to put my designs online, I know what I'm doing and I have that confidence and I can be successful with it.